Let's talk about asking questions. Now, here in the Philippines, when someone asks questions, may notion na nakasanayan dito sa kultura natin na parang walang alam at bobo ang mga taong nagtatanong. But that's not the case for international clients. They love for their employees to want to make sure that there's clarity in each of the tasks. Asking questions is very much appreciated. Pero alam nyo kung anong maganda? You don't just ask questions for the sake of asking questions. When you're asking questions, it's very important that you ask the right questions. How do you know that you're asking the right questions? When a new task is given to you as a virtual assistant and you want to make sure you're doing the right thing, here are a few things that you should do to make sure there's clarity in your task before doing it. First, read, reread, and understand the task. Basahin ng paulit-ulit, intindihin, at hindi lang ng isang beses napapasadahan ng pagbasa. Dahil merong mga details na posibleng ma-left out mo in the first read, but then as you read more of it, mas lalo mong naiintindihan yung task. If you're unclear about it still after rereading several times, go for help online. So i-google mo yung mga task na inassign sa'yo, tingnan mo kung paanong process ang ginagawa ng iba. There are tutorials that may be available online or resources on the internet that is available for you. That way, you understand the task even more. There are still things that are unclear to you after doing the first and the second steps. This is when you start asking questions. Make a list of all your questions and then send those questions to your client. Usually, paraphrasing helps in doing this. That way, the client also understands kung anong tumatakbo sa isip mo at kung ano ang pagkakaintindi mo sa task. You can say things like, so just to make sure I understand everything and I have a full clarity of the task, here's what you want me to do. You want me to blah, blah, blah. You want me to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, so on. And then at the bottom of the email of your message, you say, did I get all the parts correct? And then you add, if I don't, please provide more clarity on the parts that I did not understand. Asking the right questions will make the client think that you spent time reviewing and doing your part before going to them for more assistance. Remember, it is okay to ask questions as long as you ask the right questions.